Hello guys, dinner po tayo. Yung hubby ko po, ginawan po niya ako ng February 15 po dito. So, gumawa po siya ng king crab legs. Yan po yung dinner namin ngayon. At saka, french fries po. At saka, Mexican po. Gawa ng nilablab. Our dinner.
Your pops loves you.
My pops loves me. So, did you hear that, guys?
I don't know if I say.
Happy Valentine's. Thank you, my love. I love you.
I love you.
Oh, this is the crab. Yummy. So, sausaw po siya sa butter. Yummy taste.
Is it good?
Yeah, very good.
Want any ketchup?
No.
Salt?
No, do you want some? If you want to put ketchup and salt, then I'll put it. Yummy.
Just enjoy, Ma.
But here's my drink. Mango lime. This is the corn. Yummy corn.
This is for you, babe.
No, this one.
Okay.
For both of us, not for me.
Alright.
That's our date.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's, everyone. Our date is in the house. It's more. So, I mean,
Yummy.
oh, there you go. I put the butter there.
Okay.
And our French fries is so nice. We cook it in air fryer.
Air fryer is good.
Yeah, yummy.
That was so good.
Yeah. You're very
Oh.
my love is so expert with the king crab leg.
Yeah, right.
It's so fast to do it.
I'm
So this
just,
is the meat. So look at that big meat. So very good. And then you dip it in the butter.
Oh, that's the best. I drinks a bit. I'm just saying. Next video. Mr. Bojangles. Damn.
Sir, guys, no talking anymore. Enjoying the food. Yummy, yum, yum. Ah. Pag sa Pilipinas to, masarap tugataan na may kalabasa at kangkong. Dito nilalaga lang. Lagyan ng ano, yung nilalaga siya yung king crab legs, tapos nilalagyan ng ano ba yung sure. What is the seasoning you put?
Um, mm,
Oyster, ano?
Old Bay.
Old Bay seasoning.
Good stuff.
Yeah, it's really good. And the butter is really good also.
Old Bay and butter.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Yummy.
Loving it.
Jay.
Mmm. Yes, Mama.
New $7 Lux Cravings box from Taco Bell. It's Lux for less.
Ah, so loud. Can you lower it, please? Ah, that's okay. It's a music now.
Hold it. Now your cops make it.
See? Look at this.
Wish I'm certain.
I will off first so that I can. Okay, guys, here we go again. We're eating dinner, late Valentine's dinner. My hubby cooked me a king crab leg,
I did it my
French fries, and corn. So this is the meat of the king crab legs, and then you dip it with the butter. Here we go. Mmm, yummy.
Mmm. A lot of crab there, Mama Love.
I was not hungry. Oh, be careful, there's still out. Mm. So, I'm still eating, guys. This is a long meat, crab meat. guys, thank you everyone for watching. I-enjoy muna namin ni Love Love yung king crab leg, Mexican corn, at saka French fries. And of course, we are going to Lading Lading because it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Look by morning. After dinner, hapunan.
Yummy.
Yummy, crab legs, French fries, and Mexican corn.
It's good. Magdi-dinner pa tayo. Late Valentine celebration. From your pops.
From my pops. Ginawan po niya ako ng crab legs. Ito po crab legs. Ito po crab legs. Sorry. So, ayan po. Kain po tayo. Yan po yung hapunan namin. So, ganyan po guys. Kain tayo. Crab legs. King crab legs po siya. Tapos, sausaw sa butter. Ganyan po. Tapos, may Mexican corn po kami at saka French fries. Yummy. It's good. Ganito po, laki yung kamay. Kamoy. So, ano po siya?
French fries. I don't know.